Go. One.
Hey!
I need some crack.
Who the fuck is you?
I'm cracking. I smoke rocks.
Got any crack I can have?
My stash is running a little low. This is the good shit from the king. I need some crack.
So, why were you so low on crack anyway?
Well, I lost all my crack.
How?
I fell down and lost it on the road. My crack. My crack. Crack. Man, this is how it happened. Oh, it's still in black and white. There's some crack in the bag. That's some good crack.
So why are you going to see the king?
Well, you see, I'm gonna get this here rock, turn it into some of the finest cracks you ever did taste. And put it right here in this bag, a crack bag. It's gonna taste some good. I want some crack.
I understand that.
But do you like the crack?
I snort it. Smoke it sometimes.
It tastes just as good and get you just as high as you could ever imagine. One time, I was smoking some of this shit, and my favorite cartoon characters came to me, and we ate cookies and sang songs for 16 hours. God damn!
So, Cracky, what's your story?
Well, a long time ago.
What, honey? You're breaking up with me. Yeah, well, screw you too. Shit.
Password.
Rick James.
Okay. All I got right now is a nickel bag and this big bag.
I want the big bag.
That's what I figured. You're a cheap ass these days. Go.
Try this shit out. This ain't the bitch, I'm kicking somebody's ass.
Go.
That is the good shit. Woo! Woo-wee!
What is the last one?
some old crack, nigga. What do you got? All I got is this phone. Let me see. Some of the good shit, please. Hot damn. That's all I got. Hells yeah. The deal. Whatever. There, get out. Yeah. Alright.
Some bitch. Some crack! Some crack! My dreams come true! I want some crack! And that's my story. That's a pretty ring. I bet you I could get some crack for that.
Mine.
I want some crack. I want some crack. Oh, somebody touching my crack, I'm killing. Oh, I want some crack. 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 Crack.
Beavers and ducks.
That's some crack. I need some crack. I gotta get that ring so I can get some crack. I gotta kill him. What's some crack? I'm gonna kill him. I need some crack. I'm gonna hire the bitch and have him kill. Get some ring and some crack. What's some crack?
Hello. So, what do you have to give me?
I got this ring from this here bitch that I was trying to kill and I can get some crack for it.
It looks like a pretty good ring.
You can get some crack for it. That's some...
Quick, give me the ring.
No, I ain't giving you
Same
ring without
time.
some crack. I want some crack. Thank you for the crack.
You're welcome.
Alright, wait. Oh, shit. Crack. Gotta have some crack. Some crack. Some crack. Some crack! Got some crack! Some crack! Oh, that's good. I need you to kill somebody for me so I can get a ring and get some crack. I'll give you some crack. I'm good. I need some crack. I can get some crack. He's over here. Come kill him. I need some crack. I need some more crack on this crack. I need bags of crack. Bags of crack. Kill him. You got the ring so I can get some crack. I gotta see some crack.
Action.
Why did you betray me?
You know what dog food tastes like? It tastes just like it smells. Delicious. And I need some crack.
But why did you betray me?
'Cause I need some crack. Me crackhead crack. Crack.
Some bitch.
Let's see, damn it.
No. Inside out, that's okay. Now I got a crack pocket. Now I got a crack pocket. I want some crack! I want some crack! Crack!
Cracky, you backstabbing drug addict. Where's the king?
I am the king. I'm just not the same drug addict you know.
How do I destroy this?
I don't know. Take it down there and throw it in the pond. I don't know. What do I look like? Look like I'm some kind of rocket space guy? No, I'm a crackhead. I'm the king, bitch. You do what I say. Throw it in that damn pond. Take some rocks. What do you need, young crackhead? Let's hear rock. You go grab a crack. It is done. Give me that. This is the best stuff you can get. Thank you. Good. Good. It's crack. You got something for me? You got the purple crack? There's your crack, bitch.
I don't think I'm gonna destroy this thing anyway. It's precious to me. So precious.
You ain't taking that ring and destroying it. I get some crack for that.
You're not stopping.
Oh, well, too. This here's crack from my big rock. It makes me all crazy. Crazy. Crazy.
Well, that stuff might make you crazy. But I'm already fucking crazy. And there ain't nothing you can do about it, bitch.
Action.
Yeah, my crack. No. Mother. Ah.
Action.
Ow.
Action.
I got the ring. I can get some crack for this ring.
Action.
I can get some crack for this ring. This is the Lord of the Crack. No, it ain't. It's a ring. But I can still get some crack for it. Ah! A bitch. You don't take some blame from a crackhead. I need some crack. I'll get right for fat man. You don't ever take a ring from me. No! Oh God, Kraken! What happened to Kraken? Get up! Get up!